Hey guys, just want to let you guys know about a new listing that's going to be hitting the market this weekend. Number 12, Garden Grove, Bateau Bay, an amazing street. There's only 14 houses in the street, very house proud street, so it's immaculately kept. It's a 5-bedroom home, 2-car garage, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, and amazing gardens. A well-loved home, open from 11 o'clock till 12 o'clock this Saturday. Hope you can make it. If you can't, give me a call on 0405 361 517. Come check out a quick preview.